Hey, this is Mike Sheehan, and you wanted to know, why do you need life insurance? Well, let me just tell you a quick story. I had a client and his wife in their mid 30s. We'd taken out a life insurance policy, and it was $250,000 on each of them. So it was 250 on her, 250 on him. And what that means is that if either were to pass away, their surviving widow and the surviving spouse would get $250,000. So and to just take that one step further, if something were to happen to both of them, the children, which at the time were three, would get a total of $500,000 because they would get the 250 from the mother's policy and the 250 from the father. So just to kind of explain what that means. Now, what happened? This policy was in force for just a couple of years, and I got the phone call. The wife had passed away. She was 39 years old. Over the last year, she had contracted breast cancer, and I hadn't, talked with, these folks in that time, so I didn't know, and had passed away. 39. They had a young, I think he was about 3 or 4 at the time, and then they had two other children that were a little bit older, but there were three in the household, and she passed away. So what I was able to do is, this policy was only, again, in force for a couple of years. They probably paid, I don't know, less than, $1,000 into it. Well, within 7 days, I had a check to the surviving spouse, to the husband, now the widow, for $250,000, which certainly had a significant effect on their situation. It was the largest check and largest amount of money that he ever had and saw at one time, and it was tax-free. So we were able to do some things and really kind of steady everything financially for, with that, and it brought some peace in a really unsettling time, a really sad and unfortunate time. So the reason I shared it is that's why you need life insurance. What would your family do if there was no paycheck? What would your family do if you were no longer here? Because you know what, none of us are getting out of here alive. So if you want to know what we can do for you, what I ask you to do is go in the lower left there and go to www.yourlifeinsurance401.com, or just go to below, a little bit further below that video, and all you have to do is click on that link, and it's going to take you to my website. And on the website, in the upper right, it's going to ask for your name, your phone number, email address, and say get a quote. Just fill out that stuff, click a quote, get a quote, and it's going to come back to me. Then we can have a conversation, find out what your needs and wants are and concerns, what you want to do to protect and provide for your family when you're no longer here, and we'll put together a plan. And if you like it, we can get it going for you, and we can do this all over the phone or online. So again, go to the lower left, click on the link, then go to the website in the upper right, put your name, phone number, email address in, click get a quote, and I'll look forward to speaking with you real soon, doing what we can to provide a good plan for your family and earn your business. So until then, make it a great day.